Nigga laugh is punchable.
Oh my god.
Even the niggas from Yemen know I'm bald? Damn.
Well, we wait for you to say something.
You and your mama like to clap booty in front of your daddy. Oh, my dad pot is like that. Yo, little head ass. What the big chin, long chin, dirty chin, long chin. Get your little big. You a horny turtle, boy. My dad pot, yeah, it's like that, boy. Yeah, and your partner beside you, yeah. He like Glock 9. He like Glock 9 without the 9. Oh, my dad, yeah, like that, boy. You like Lil Yachty without a yacht. Oh, my dad, like that, boy. What are you talking about? Yeah, the Puma on your jacket. Yeah, like that, boy. Like that.
Shit. What's like that? Your head? Because it ain't.
Yo, little
That
dread
bitch.
ass, little braid ass, look, two-strand twist. That ain't a two-strand twist. That's a
Dumbass boy. Look,
like
bitch, your
that.
head is an ass. What you talking about? You got an ass cheek on your bitch ass. Watermelon head ass boy. What you talking about? Fat bitch, you built ass boy. What you talking about?
You hear it?
Feel like my trolling better on the other camera. What you get? Why the nigga in the middle? I was finna flame the nigga in the middle. He look gay as hell. Squidward is.
Ew! He's literally cute.
Oh, nigga, fake. What your red hair look like?